Welcome to Motor News. I'm Thomas as always, and today's chapter is about the Japanese motorcycle brand Kawasaki. The long-awaited Kawasaki Z650RS has not only been restored this year, but has been completely updated for its 50th anniversary. I decided to show you these two models together so you can see what they have in common and what they don't. Motorcycle enthusiasts think that the difference is only in color, but not. The Kawasaki Z650RS 50th anniversary is a completely restored Retrosport motorcycle. The manufacturer doesn't even ask the ABS system on it. Do you understand what this means? This is not available as a base. Otherwise, you can order it that way, of course. The suspension system is also different. The front suspension of the 5th anniversary model is equipped with an inverted telescopic for 409 inches. As for the electronic system, both models are equally equipped with the latest system of Kawasaki. There is no other significant difference between these two models. They have an absolutely identical 649cc engine that produced 67 horsepower at 8,000 RPM. To say it out loud is very impressive, isn't it? As for their gearbox, here is also identical, and it also identical its details such as height, length and even weight. But 50th anniversary looks more pompous, and it costs a little more on the market because we are dealing with a kind of exclusive. In general, Kawasaki has very long tradition and experience in building motorcycles, and I can confidently say that this particular model is considered one of the most reliable motorcycles today. Do you understand what this means in the age of total marketing? So friends, I am Thomas and thanks for your attention. You always find interesting videos on my channel.